Hi, my name is Laura Gibbs, and today I will present about architecture components. According to Android developers' website, the Android architecture components are a collection of libraries that help you design robust, testable, and maintainable apps. Android architecture components are part of Android Jetpack. But what is Android Jetpack? Well, Android Jetpack is a collection of Android software components which help us building great Android apps. These software components help in 1. Following the best practices and writing the boilerplate code, and making complex things very simple. In this diagram, we can see the Android Jetpack categories, which are architecture, UI components, foundations components, and the behavior components. The architecture components is the Android Jetpack category that I will be focused on. The Android architecture components has several libraries as shown in the left picture. These libraries are great on their own, but when they are used together, you can ditch the boilerplate, build robust apps faster, and focus on the code that makes your app unique. The Android architecture components facilitate the model view model architecture, and this is the first time that Android framework team officially provides guidance on Android app architecture. MVVM is not new, and it was designed by Microsoft in 2005. Let's see how this can be implemented on Android with the new Android architecture components. This diagram represents the architecture components overview, but let's go ahead and start on the bottom. Room database. Room is an SQLite object mapping library. It gives us annotations to generate boilerplate code and easily convert SQLite table data to Java objects. You can declare tables by using entity objects. The entity objects are simply objects with few annotations. I can take this class name a student as shown in figure 5, and after adding some annotations as shown in figure 6, it becomes a representation for this SQLite table. View model. The view model class is designed to store and manage UI-related data in a lifecycle consistent way. The view model class allows data to survive configuration changes such as screen rotations. This is why a view model is a good place and a stable place to put the UI data. The live data is an observable data holder class. Unlike a regular observable, live data is a lifecycle aware, meaning it respects the lifecycle of other apps components, such as activities, fragments, or services. This awareness ensures live data only updates app components observers that are in an active life cycle state. The live data is a lifecycle that is inside the view model. The main purpose of this live data is to provide easy communications between the UI and the deeper layers of the app architecture. Well, architecture components have so many benefits. Some of them are that allows to build a robust Android applications, building testable Android applications, and building the maintainable Android apps.